Hello and welcome to the video on how is the provision for doubtful debts created. One way in which the provision for doubtful debts is created is through a general provision. This uses a simple or fixed percentage of trade receivables or debtors. For example, a 2% of the total trade receivables or debts is taken as the provision. Another way in which the provision for doubtful debts is created is through a sliding scale provision. This is where a higher percentage is applied for older debts. For example, the percentage increases after a certain amount of days. This could be a 2% provision for debts less than 90 days. It could then increase to 5% if the debt is between 90 and 120 days. Then you could get a further increase up to 10% if the debt goes over 120 days. Another way in which the provision for doubtful debts is created is through a combination of specific and a general provision. This will come in two parts. Firstly, a provision to a specific debt of a customer. And secondly, a simple percentage is then applied on the remaining debt or trade receivables. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in another video.